changing the rear light on a 2008 Mazda 3 hatchback to an LED. Currently it's this yellow light, which does no good. It doesn't help you see anything. So we're going to be popping an LED in there. It's a little wedge bulb. They're really cheap. You could do this yourself. So let's get down to business. Now first you're going to remove the covering. It's just a small flathead. There's a tab right here in the center. If you look, you can see it. You just stick it under there and twist, and off pops the cover. Then if you see, you have it's a little wedge type bulb, 31 millimeter, it pops right out. See that old one? It's all dirty and everything. So we're going to set that aside. We're going to grab a new LED type. Now this is polarity. Now this is polarity. So you have to stick it one way. It can only go one way. So if it doesn't work the first time, take it out, turn it around. Now what you want to do is wedge it back up in there. There's a little hole and a little clip. I just checked it. We have it the right way, so all we gotta do is get it in there. Make sure it's in there, like so. There it goes, works. Take the plate. It just snaps back on. And when you turn off the light, it's 10 times brighter than that old one. Works a lot better than the yellow. And it took only a matter of minutes to replace. There's no reason you couldn't do these things yourself. Fix your own shit. Do it yourself.